as I've ever been. Higher than heaven sits. Roll up my weed and think about my exes and jealousness. How to stay current and relevant.
Alright everyone, today we're going to be doing a muffler delete on my BMW E46. So as this does have a bunch of performance and M badges, you think it looks cool, but I turn on the engine. Does it sound cool? Not really. So today we're going to be doing a muffler delete. This is a DIY muffler delete. So basically all you're going to need is some jack stands. Make sure everything's jacked up. Safety first, everyone. So keep your jack stands under there as support. And here we have this Chicago electric oscillating tool. It's a multi-function tool, and this is a blade made for wood and metal. So the muffler is metal, so this thing should cut through it. We'll see. So basically all you need is this little blade. You can also use a drill with some like titanium drill bits. You can use one of those saw blades, those electric saw blades. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube using those, but I'm just gonna be using this Chicago one. So before we get started, safety first. Oh God, this is not gonna end well. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, of course, jack up your car. You're not gonna be wanting to fit in that tight little space underneath your car. Most of you that's probably gonna be doing this, you're not gonna be working under an SUV. So you're probably gonna have to jack it up. Make sure you do use the jack stands. And the second thing you're gonna wanna do is cut it off. Cut off your muffler. So basically, find a position on the muffler or on the pipe right before the muffler that you would think would be the easiest. Might be the weakest area. That'll be the easiest to cut through. For me, I cut it right where the pipe becomes straight, because I didn't want to cut it off in a curvy area, because if I wanted to put like some more pipe and weld it on after, it wouldn't make sense cutting it in the bending part and welding it to the bendy part. So cut it on the straight part, and that's basically it. You can go ahead and remove your muffler completely. It might have a few hangers, exhaust hangers holding it in. You might have to remove those, maybe cut them out. But that's basically it. You can even like leave your whole muffler in there. If you're looking to like leave it looking like stock or whatever, you can basically just leave it there. Just have it the cut. It won't affect anything. You're not gonna get no check engine light or anything. Everything is still going through the catalytic converters and everything, so it's perfectly legal. So you should have no problems with anything like that. But yeah, I guess that's about it for this video. Let me know how you guys think it sounds. My BMW 325 Ci definitely sounds a bit better, but I've noticed that it isn't as aggressive as I'd like it. Maybe later down the line I'll cut off the resonators that it has in there. We'll see. So for my next video, I don't know if I'm actually going to be uploading next weekend, because me and my dad are basically doing like body work on my E46. So we're filling in all the dents, all the dings, and we're gonna completely repaint the bumper, the front bumper at least, because if you guys see from like the past videos, it looks shitty. There's huge dents, huge scratches. It's probably not even OEM. There's screws holding it in from the top to the crash bar. It honestly doesn't make sense, so we're gonna be trying to fix that up. So keep an eye out for that one. It might take us more than a week, so I might not have a video next week, but that's okay, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later. Peace.